The kitchen isn't just a place to cook, it's the heart of the home, where design meets functionality. In 2025, kitchen cabinet trends are all about sleek aesthetics, smart storage, and bold design choices. Handleless surfaces, rich color contrasts, and sustainable materials are redefining modern kitchens. Whether it's a minimalist setup or a statement-making design, the right cabinets can completely transform the space. Let's explore the top cabinet trends that will dominate kitchens this year. Smooth, uninterrupted surfaces are taking over kitchen designs in 2025. Handleless cabinets create a sleek, minimalist look, perfect for modern spaces. Instead of traditional hardware, push-to-open mechanisms and integrated groove handles keep everything looking clean and streamlined. Soft-close technology adds to the seamless experience, making every movement effortless and silent. Matte and high-gloss finishes further enhance this trend. Matte surfaces offer a sophisticated, understated look, while high gloss adds a reflective touch that makes kitchens feel brighter and more spacious. With these handle-free designs, kitchens in 2025 will feel more modern, elegant, and effortlessly functional. Neutral kitchens are taking a step back as bold, statement-making cabinet colors gain popularity. Deep blues, forest greens, and rich burgundy tones bring personality and warmth, creating a striking contrast against lighter countertops and backsplashes. These deep hues add depth and sophistication while maintaining a modern, elegant feel. Two-tone cabinetry is another standout trend for 2025. Combining contrasting upper and lower cabinets, such as dark lower cabinets paired with crisp white uppers, adds visual interest without overwhelming the space. Wood accents, whether in open shelving or island panels, soften the bold colors and create a balanced, contemporary look. With these dynamic color choices, kitchens are becoming more expressive and personalized than ever. A shift towards lighter, more open kitchens has made open shelving and glass front cabinets a top trend for 2025. Open shelving brings an airy, modern feel while keeping frequently used items within easy reach. Natural wood or metal shelves add warmth and texture, making the space feel more inviting. For those who prefer a bit more structure, glass front cabinets offer the perfect balance between openness and organization. Frosted or fluted glass adds a stylish touch while maintaining a sense of privacy, keeping clutter out of sight. These designs work beautifully in both contemporary and transitional kitchens, blending functionality with a fresh, spacious aesthetic. Maximizing storage without compromising style is a key focus in 2025. Deep drawers with built-in dividers make it easy to keep pots, pans, and utensils neatly arranged. Pull-out spice racks and rotating corner shelves ensure that every inch of space is efficiently used. These smart solutions keep essentials within reach while maintaining a clean, clutter-free look. Hidden storage is also on the rise. Cabinets with touch latch doors blend seamlessly into the design, making appliances and pantry items disappear when not in use. Multifunctional kitchen islands take this further, incorporating hidden compartments for extra storage. With these clever innovations, kitchens feel more organized, spacious, and effortlessly functional. Sustainability is shaping kitchen design in 2025, with eco-friendly materials becoming a top choice for modern cabinets. Reclaimed wood, bamboo, and FSC-certified plywood bring a natural touch while reducing environmental impact. These materials not only look beautiful but also add warmth and texture, making kitchens feel more inviting. Finishes are also shifting towards sustainability. Water-based, non-toxic paints and stains ensure a healthier indoor environment, while matte black and brushed brass hardware provide a stylish contrast against natural wood tones. With a focus on both aesthetics and eco-conscious design, modern kitchen cabinets are becoming as responsible as they are refined. The kitchen is more than just a cooking space, it's the heart of the home, and in 2025, cabinet designs are redefining both style and functionality. From sleek handleless surfaces to bold colors, smart storage solutions, and sustainable materials, modern kitchens are becoming more innovative and aesthetically refined than ever. These trends offer a perfect balance of practicality and elegance, ensuring a space that feels both timeless and on-trend. Which of these cabinet design ideas do you love the most? Let us know in the comments below. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Decor Tricks for more inspiring home design ideas. Hit the notification bell so you never miss an update on the latest trends.